Good day everyone. This is Winners Trading Academy. On the June 21st, we had a free signal sent here on US 100, that is nasdaq. So if you watch this video, this is where it is. You can pinpoint the video and watch it again and see. Those people that have entered it they've testified. Okay, so even on our WhatsApp channel too, WhatsApp status as well. So but on that level we had this was the trade. We had this trade. I think it's still coming up. Okay, look at it here. All right, so it was entered on the 21st at this price. So we had it has gone up. In fact, we have exited it. It has been exited. We have even sent those that entered it called and also chatted. We told it to exit. Okay, so it gave more than 600 pips. All right, it was exited when this happened. This appeared on the 27th of June 2022. All right, that is how it sits. And okay, now let's go further to our VPS. This is our VPS, and coming to here, we had trades. We have some trades running, and some are still about to be entered. And again, we have been setting up people's accounts on the VPS. By Friday, everything will be settled. So by Monday, most of us will start receiving guides and trades on the VIP channel. All right, and I think we will kickstart fully on that Monday. Okay, we kickstart fully on that Monday, and nothing will stop us again. We have specified durations that we receive calls. Okay, I think you have to go to the pin message. You can get the full information on the pin message. Look at the pin message here. Get the information here as well. All right. So other things you can ask question. We put you through to other things we have as well. Arbitrage videos are coming. We're having some recorded videos we've done concerning funding and withdrawal, and even the Binance arbitrage. Okay, we've recorded some videos, and most of them will be posted on the VIP channel. Yes, we have a VIP channel, and it is due, and the obligations of those who are interested to ask questions. If you don't ask questions, you won't receive answers. And ask the right questions as well. Okay, now let's, from that 21st, we had some trades. I think this is our Naira account. I think, yeah. Let's start with a dollar account. All right, so let's go to account history. Custom period from 21st of June. From here, 21st of June to, let's make it till date. All right, till date. So we have a 21st of June till date. We have about profit of $3,721. $3,721 profits on this dollar account. And if you head to Naira accounts, we have this trade is about to enter. Let me check here. It's about to once you can see, it's one of the best currencies to enter at this time, this early morning. And most times this Asian session, this is a European and the US session. So this one is about to enter, but it's not fully activated. Once this this price crosses this line, this is a resistance line that is fully targeted to this, and that's how it's going to be. GBP NZD. Now let's go to this Naira account statement. Let's see from that same date we didn't trade much on Naira account. We didn't trade much. Okay, 21st. We didn't trade much, but let's see how much we got so far. Okay, now from 21st of June, okay, 330,000. It's something. We didn't trade much. 330,000 naira. This is profit. So that is how it is. If you have any question, you can let us know. Chat with us. If you've not replied, you wait for a reply. We will reply you. You can call at the duration and period of calling. Ask your questions. Seek your help. So we can be able to provide. This is Winners Trading Academy, and testimonies are bound. I think we will screenshot and send them internationally, Africans and other things. So we will screenshot and send. It is your time to get the testimonies for yourself, so you can be able to move on to the next level of your trading life and arbitrage as well. Okay, take care of yourself.